push-up. Pwede naman. Dali naman pala sa tennis. Okay, so again, yung mga coaches natin, yung kasama nyo, who will start with the level 1 coaches. So, yung makikita yung mga girls natin, they're currently at incoming players ng UP Maroon. So, abangan niya sa UAAP. So, we have Coach Alex Franco. We have Coach Isay Arellano. Yung next coach natin, naglaro for UAMP or University of the Asia and Pacific. We have Coach Ting Alcantara. Isa pa galing sa UP Diliman, galing sa Human Genetics. We have Coach Ira Oray Agarao. Maraming kami Coach Raya. Dating naglaro sa UST, part-time champion team, we have Coach Irene Yamaba. At siyempre, yung teammate niya, nung nag-champion, siya lang naman ng MVP. From UST, we have Coach Tamaro. Ang manilis na niya, pero mga matikinig. A former player ng FEU. So, naglaro po siya sa FEU, we have Coach Ryan Miguel. Naglaro sa PUP. So, alam niyo ba yung sabihin ng PUP? Philippine University of the Philippines. Sa PUP, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, we have Coach Philip Ancheta. A former USP Grounding Tiger. Kaya alam ko, kauna-unahan nakapag-40 sa UAAP, we have Coach Ketzer Rosario. A graduate of the best center, so graduate po siya. Ngayon, naka-enroll po siya, nag-aaral sa UP Diliman. We have Coach Luis Paul. A graduating student from UP Diliman, College of Human Genetics, we have Coach Gab Cagano. Another student of UP Diliman, we have Coach Christian Perez. A PE teacher, so natuturo siya ngayon sa faculty member sa Parañaque National High School. Coach Gerald Pua. So ngayon, magtuturo po siya sa Southfield International School. Graduate sa UP, we have Coach Vincent Siloma. So yung mga tuloy yung papakilala, masyadong mahaba ang resume, para umikling na lang. So nasa best center na sila for more than 20 years. First natin, kung magtataka kayo, ba't naka-jogging pants? Tricks lang po niya. We have Coach Baki Bakal. Okay, another coach. Siyempre, siya yung naging mother ng USP Grounding Tigers. Coach ng RP team. At siyempre, biniregard niya namin siya as endangered species. Kasi malapit na po maubos yung ganyang kagagaling ng coaches, we have Coach Pequeta. So again, kami palang pangalan ang coaches nyo. So we will start the asking of your certificate.